Hello! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 3 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset this watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Also, before you reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. Once your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch, of course. In the app, tap on devices icon, then select your Huawei Watch GT 3 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down, find the option called Restore Factory Settings and tap on it, then tap on Restore. The watch should disappear from the list of devices in the app and it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.